So what's missing from this? First off, the different kitchen appliances. Like that. There we have a fully functioning kitchen. In this space here, we also want a double cabinet so that we can heat. And let's put the TV niche right there, like that. There we go. So then we have a kind of a living room space here. We have the door to the bathroom going in here. And we have a spacious bathroom in the kitchen on the side. So this is the sound that we have at the moment. Let's go ahead and have a look at the bathroom. There we go. So now we have a fully functioning SAM bathroom. The drains for the toilet and the shower can run straight on into the technical shaft. The drains for the sink will go down and along the bottom of the plinth that we have under the cabinets here and run along there into the technical shaft.